Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see another new video, spoken Hindi via English. Okay, let's go into the video. Before we are going to the topic, I'm running an institute which is Rise to Shine Institute. If you want to study or if you want to study spoken Hindi or spoken English, you can join to that institute. Online classes is also available with very reasonable price. Okay friends, let's go into the topic. Today we are going to learn some words, so and then the meaning of that words and where are these words are used. So today we are going to see some important words in Hindi language. So you have to write these words and also you have to pronounce these words, and you also have to create a sentence for these words. Okay, let's go into the video. So first is wait a minute. First is animal. Animal means animal. So animal is a very important word which is called as in Hindi it's a जानवर. So जानवर it's a animal. So वहाँ देखो वहाँ पर एक जानवर है. See there is an animal there. Okay. तुम एक जानवर जैसे हो. You are just like an animal. तुम एक जानवर जैसे हो. क्योंकि तुम्हें दिमाग नहीं. You don't have a brain. तुम एक जानवर जैसे हो क्योंकि तुम्हें कोई दिमाग नहीं. We can create a sentence. First you have to read the sentence and first you have to read the word. After reading that word you have to create a sentence for that with that word. Okay. And the next word, I'm just selecting the word which is used mostly used. Okay. The next word is ईमानदार. ईमानदार means it's a honest. So तुमने मेरा ये मेरा ईमानदार लड़का है, which means I believe in him. This is a person that I believe in, which is a honest person. So ईमानदार. So I'm creating a sentence related to ईमानदार. So ये एक ईमानदार नौकर है. He is an honest servant. ये एक ईमानदार नौकर है. नौकर means it's a servant. Okay. Next, खूबसूरत. खूबसूरत means it's a beautiful. It's a meaning of beautiful. ये लड़की बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रही है. This girl is very beautiful. ये लड़की means girl, and then बहुत ही means very beautiful means खूबसूरत. And then ये लड़की बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रही है. And then next, I'm just selecting the words which is mostly used. Okay, this is a word which is mostly used, which is a money, which is a rupaya. In Hindi it is called as rupaya. So now I'm creating a sentence for this rupaya. So मेरे पास 10 रुपया है. मेरे पास 1000 रुपया है. I have 10 rupees. I have 1000 rupees. मेरे पास 100 रुपया है. I have 100 rupees. मेरे पास 500 रुपया है. I have 500 rupees. After seeing a word, you have to create a sentence by your own. And the next I'm just searching a sentence which is mostly used. Searching a word which is mostly used. Okay. Here are there are lot of sentences here. You can create sentences. Okay, you can see here there is a laborer. So sasural. So sasural means it's a meaning of, you can see sasural. Sasural means father-in-law house. It's a meaning of a girl getting married and go to the husband's house. The husband's house is called as ससुराल. ये लड़की शादी करके अपनी ससुराल जा रही है. This girl is married and go to his father-in-law's house or husband house. Okay, sasural means husband's house. And the next here you can see the tail. Tail means tail means it's a represent the oil. So we are using the oil for in our hair, in our hands. So oil is a tail. मेरे घर में तेल है. मेरे घर में बहुत सारा तेल है. In my house there is a lot of oil. Okay. And then yatri we can also say yatra means it's a traveler. A person who is traveling is called as yatri. If a person is traveling from one place to another, he is called as yatri. Yatra means if a person traveling from one place to another, it's called as yatra. ये लड़का यात्रा जा रहा है. यात्रा मतलब he is traveling. The boy is traveling. Okay. ये लड़का एक यात्री है. This boy is a traveler. So you can understand the meaning of yatri and yatra. These all are the most important words which is randomly used. Okay friends, today we have seen these words. And then our video is ended here. If you have any doubt, you can comment in your comment section. Okay friends, bye. We will meet you in the next video.